Hi friends!
Hey.
Welcome to Bhaskar Artwork.
Welcome! Dear friends,
Yes.
today we are going to draw a beautiful and cute butterfly.
Wow, really?
Yes, and it is superb easy.
Oh.
First, we have to draw a circle like this.
Okay.
And now, 2 lines at the bottom side.
It's easy.
Now we are making her cute wings.
Yes, how cute wings.
Do the same at the left side. Look friends, it is going to be a cute butterfly now.
Yes.
Now we are making some cute texture on her body.
Oh, wow.
It is time to design her wings.
Yes, design.
Let's design with some beautiful shapes.
Yes, let's design it. Awesome.
Friends, if you want to see more like this video, please subscribe to our channel.
Yes, subscribe.
It is completely free. Friends, just hit the subscribe button.
Yes, please subscribe.
Now we are making some rounds inside it.
Okay.
Don't worry, all rounds are different size. We are making her feelers. Now let's draw her eyes.
Wow, we have completed our drawing. Hey, it's complete.
Now, let's color to the picture.
Let's color the drawing.
Peach.
Me. I
am
am coloring her face. We are coloring her face. We are coloring her face. We are coloring her face.
Orange. We are coloring her body.
We are coloring her body. We are coloring her body. We are coloring her body. We are coloring her body.
Baby pink. Now we are coloring her wings design.
Let's design her wings. Let's design her wings. Let's design her wings. Let's design her wings.
Friends, to watch more like this video, you should subscribe our channel.
Yes.
Then you will be our members.
Really?
Our Bhaskar Artwork channel is specially designed for you.
Oh,
We
wow.
usually give you tutorial for everyone drawing with a simple way.
Yes.
We also teach you 2 questions in every single video.
Yes, it is perfect.
Subscribe please. Here is your today's question. Which bird can mimic human speech?
Answer the question in comment box.
Now we are coloring her wings.
Yes.
We are using green color.
Green
You can
color.
choose any color here. Let's complete the green color.
Yes, let's complete.
Answer: parrot. Question number 2. Why do butterflies have feelers and antennae? Answer: they use their feelers to smell, balance, find direction. We have to go for the small circles inside the wings. Now we will use yellow color to fill the circles.
Wow.
We are going to complete it now. Please subscribe for more videos. Hey, finally we have completed. Is this tutorial exciting for you friends?
Yes.
Then please hit the subscribe button.
Hey, it's complete.
Let's breathe life into this with our magic wands.
Wow. Wow, so cute.
See you soon, friend.
See you.
Bye-bye.